Hello. Goodbye.
Hi.
So today we're going to the Clearwater beach because Diana told us Diana, the lady at the front desk who gave us a good deal, she told us that it was the best beach, and but it's an hour and a half away, but it's fine. But she said it's the best sunset in the world.
I don't know how to open the gas.
Lol.
To put gas.
My mom doesn't know how to open our car's gas thing.
Wala ba dito?
So we have this mosquito slash flying bug repellent,
Mainit.
and I wasn't gonna bring it at first because I thought, hey, the beach here now is probably not gonna have it's not gonna have bugs, and yeah, so yeah, but then I walked out of our hotel room and I saw a wasp, and I saw a wasp right there, and I was like, no, you know what, we're gonna grab that. That's the spray right there. We're gonna grab that and we're gonna bring it with us because it is our guardian of peace. Wasps are aggressive. So this is our
Full tank.
So
full tank po sa $20, yung kalahati pong ganun.
So this is our
So,
Karen from
$40
Spider-Man,
full tank.
and she's gonna take us to Clearwater Beach. My mom hasn't really been so good with Karen in the past few days, but it's fine. We have traffic. It's gonna take us 2 hours actually. Usually it takes an hour 30, but whatever. Okay,
There's
yeah, well,
traffic.
Karen's ready for you. Are you ready?
And I'm ready for talk.
Head northeast toward US 192 East.
Okay.
Turn right onto US 192 East.
Okay, thanks, Karen.
Right.
Road trip. Oh yeah. We are on our way to Clearwater Beach. We are on our way to Clearwater Beach. We are on our way to Clearwater Beach. Road trip. Road trip. Road trip. We are on our way to Clearwater Beach, where the waters are clear and the sand is white. And as you can see to our right right there is a pop car. Joseph, I was just joking. I thought you were the comedian. Elevate up it. Are you freaking to lift up? The pit.
Next junction.
So be careful when you do that.
We say the next one is Punso. Wait,
Huh?
what's the next one?
Slug bug, not time back. Yes, Ariana, my queen. Girl, you know I wanna show love. Look at my eye, look. It's two colors. It's called heterochromia. It's a brown and hazel. I had a McDonald's frappe in the morning, by the way, so maybe that's why. Clean you guys up a bit. What is that, guys? Do you know what that is?
No.
We are more than halfway, guys. Pathways. And now entering the field. The Durango High School Trailblazer Marching Band. Presenting their 2016 program entitled Pathways. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 da. Oh my god, look at that lake, it's so big. Da 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 da. Welcome to Tampa.
This is Tampa.
Auntie Tess, look. Look, Auntie Tess, look. There's Tinkerbell and there's Hello Kitty. That's just perfect for you. It's almost perfect, but like the focus is non-existent. Yo, look at this. My sister's medieval. She's just biting the head of each goldfish and showing it to me. She does that with the gummy shark. She just bites off their heads and then she just dangles them in my face. Look at that. That's just medieval right there. Sa hindi inaasahang pagtatagpo ng mundo, may minsan lang na nagtugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Hindi pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat nung hindi ko iparalan sa'yo? Di binubungat ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw nagpagsinta. Ba't di papatulan ang pagsuyong at kulang? Tayong umaasang ilag at kanluran, ikaw ang hantungan at what? Carrie! Yata ako kapag tumibok ang puso, wala ka na see the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. The wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me. The Clearwater High School Marching Band.
Yeah.
Marching Tornadoes.
Ano ba all
Over the
Hindi na ano kung week. Oh, there's the sunset. The sunset. The sun is going down. Kailangan naabutan yung tilapia. We're gonna catch tilapia so we can eat fish.
Oh.
Oh. Dig-a-dig.
Dig-a-dig. Clearwater
Facing the sun.
Beach. Time to find some parking.
Woohoo.
Yeah.
Is it free or is it paid for?
Finally.
Finally.
It took us like
So you're just lucky still the sun's
27
still up.
minutes.
You can go to another
But
room.
bless those people.
Thank you.
Bless. Dude, we finally made it. Dude, yo, the sand feels, it's so white and the sand feels so nice on your feet. look at all these industrial looking buildings. That one over there especially. Yeah, we're just heading to the pier right now. And then we're gonna see the sunset later. So some of you guys don't know this, but I have the spider drone from Spider-Man Homecoming, and we're gonna try to fly it, but it's like hella windy right now. So yeah, we'll see. So also it comes with Karen too. So watch when I turn it on.
Welcome back, Spider-Man. Spider drone is now operational.
Okay, Karen, let's do this. Let's do this. There we go. This is gonna be horrible, but we will try anyways.
Manual flight mode, auto flight mode engaged. Auto launch initiated. Stand clear.
Cool. This way. Back. No. Turn. Ooh. Let's go. Higher.
Manual flight mode.
And it's down. Yay. Oh, it's hitting me with the tip. Land. Thank God. So hopefully I got some good views. I don't know yet, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna... These are my prescription goggles, by the way, so I can actually see underwater. And yeah, we're gonna go swim now. Unfortunately, I don't have my waterproof camera. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, peace. See the light as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, and no one knows how deep it goes. So now we're gonna wash up by this turtle, this turtle, and yeah, I don't think the sunset's happening because look at all those clouds. So R.I.P. Diana, but thank you so much for recommending this to us. But we'll see what happens. There was a big A explosion over there, but no one seems to be running or panicking, so that's good. But I mean, at least you can see the moon. It looks pretty nice. Okay, well, you guys can't see it, but I can, and it looks nice. Oh yeah, and by the way, the water was salty AF, like Bobby or Ian when they don't get play of the game. Can I call you Karen?
Not sure how to help with Can I Call You Karen? For tips on what you can say, turn on the microphone and say, help.
Welp. Done. So we're at Popeyes, yay! Popeyes Sailor Man. We're gonna get that $5 hot honey crunch tenders. I am happy. Yes. Yes.
Hot honey crunch.
Yes. Wait.
$5.
Yes. What did you say to the lady, Grandma?
I say, dummy.
Grandma's such a savage.
Lady, hurry up. You asshole.
Grandma's a savage. Jesus,
There's
right?
another one.
Oh.
Hey, lady.
No.
You bastard. Hurry up,
Grandma's a
dummy.
savage.
I haven't seen it yet.
So, where's the flash? Is there no flash here? So there's my chicken, and it looks hot and spicy, and it smells hot and spicy. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, there's sauce on it too.
It's already dipped in hot sauce.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
No.
Hot and spicy.
Popeye
Oh my
chicken.
gosh.
Hot,
Olive
hot
chicken.
and spicy.
Olive chicken.
We're
Is
going-
that spicy? You want the spicy, baby? Oh,
Papa.
I don't want
Then
spicy.
we're going to Olives.
That's
That's
That's good.
spicy.
We're going to
good.
We're going to Olives. We'll go to Popeye. We go to Olives.
It tastes really good.
Wow.
I love Popeyes.
Later. Nasaan na si Apple?
My host in Utah likes chains. No, I like Popeyes. So for the most part, like everyone in Disneyland is very happy and nice and kind and considerate. But like we've been to Popeyes, Burger King, and now we're at Arby's. Grandma's roasting everyone. Like, so Popeyes, like it's good, but like they took too long, and then they gave me too much ice in my drink, and then the deal was like supposed to be $6 or $7, but it came out to $9. And then Burger King didn't serve anything that we wanted like anymore. They discontinued a bunch of stuff, and Arby's won't take my trash from Popeyes. my drink trash. Let it show, just let go. Yeah.
On US 192 East for 1.5 miles.
There's a guy without a helmet, and the popo's here, so yeah. Man, these bugs be making some sick beats out here.
Baby got me feeling so down the ride. Every time she speaks, she glowing up my pride. Swear to God, I would die for her. Never thought I'd make it this far. Never thought I'd be a lover. All the feelings really never made sense to me. I just fucked around, cause I never really thought I'd see her. Understand how a man can be dedicated to another girl so deeply, oh so easily. Taking risks to see my big smile. And if a teddy bear don't make her happy,